Hi everyone, this is Ryan, and for today's topic, I'm going to be talking about how to grow your account from $30 to $300. All right, that's right. How to 10 times your account organically, right? Organically meaning that we want to grow the account using our profits and not by depositing more and more funds to grow that account. All right. So I think the most important thing you want to do to grow your account organically, right? I believe the most important thing you can do is to focus on one strategy. All right. Just focus on one strategy, one system, one way of trading, right? And just focus on it and make sure that you are consistent in trading that strategy, right? And at the same time, you want to take note of your risk management and money management as well, right? You do not want to gamble all your money, right, all your capital on one single trade. You want to keep to the proper risk management of maximum 2% per trade as well. All right. So yes, it will be slow, right? It's going to be, it's not going to take you, it's not going to be an overnight thing where you 10 times your account, right? It could take you a few months, right? But if you stick to one strategy, trade it consistently, you will get there in probably about 3 months. All right. So that's all for today's topic: how to grow your account from $30 to $300. So I hope you gained value from today's video. And if you like my videos or you want to watch more of these daily videos, then please like my Facebook page or subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.